Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion, that is 2938 separate black and white balls, and in this there are n balls on a table and each ball has a color black or white, and we are given a 0 index binary string s of length n where 1 and 0 represent black and white balls respectively. In each step we can choose two adjacent balls and swap them, and we have to return the minimum number of steps to group all the black balls to the right and white balls to the left. Note that we can swap two adjacent balls. Okay, just two adjacent ones, not like we can pick one and then swap this. Okay, so for example in this we are having 101, so we just need to swap this 0 with 1 and 1 with 0, basically just like swapping these two indexes, and we'll be having our answer that all the zeros are on the left and all the ones are on the right. So we just need one operation. But in the next example we are having 100, so firstly we need to swap these two indexes, then it will become something like 010. Then we'll have to swap these two indexes and we'll be having 001, so that will be our, that sums up to two steps, so that's why we are having our answer as 2. Okay, so this is a basic 2-1-2 question. Let's start with having an answer variable. Uh, so answer which is initially 0, and let's have a count of basically zeros, like that will be the zeros we need to swap, so count is equal to 0. So now for int I equal to s dot length minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus 1 is, and here I'll be checking that if s dot char at I, if it is equal to 0, in this case I'll be incrementing my count, else I'll be updating my answer by my count. Okay, and at the end let's just return answer and let's give it a run and get accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.